Welcome to the class, dear students. In today's lecture, I'm going to continue the normal distribution. In this, we are going to do the problems. In the previous class, we have done the problems where you have to understand the region and how to see the normal table and how to identify the area. All these we have done in the previous lecture. Now, today in today's lecture, I'm going to do the problems when the mean and variance are given of the normal distribution. Then, how to find out the value of the probability of x less than particular number by changing into the standard normal variate. So, this is what I'm going to do in the present lecture. So, now we are now going to change the scale into the normal distribution to the standard normal distribution. So here the first question asked was P of x less than 11. So to understand, to find out the scale of z, the normal standard normal variate, we need the mu, the mean, and the standard deviation. The mean is given by mu is equal to 3. And the standard deviation is given by variance is given as 16. So what is the standard deviation? It is 4. So square root of 16. You have to little be careful what was given, whether it is standard deviation or the variance. So that is, what is this standard deviation is equal to what? It is equal to sigma. So the value is equal to sigma. So this is what given. Now, what is the standard normal variate formula? The standard normal variate is given by z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. So what is the value of x here? It is 11. Okay. So that is 11 minus mu is 3 over sigma is equal to 4. So that is what actually it is 8 by 4 and it is equal to 2. So what you can now understand that the probability of, according to the traditional normal distribution, probability of x less than 11 is same as the probability of z less than 2. That is the equivalent to normal, standard normal distribution. So now for z less than 2, what do you mean by this now? Let us see. Let us draw the mean here for the standard normal variate. What is the mean? The mean is this one, right? The mean is this. Always the mean is in the mid of the standard, mid of the normal distribution. And now let us draw the x-axis. And now the value that here it is what? Z is equal to 0. This is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2 somewhere here. Now this is what the line. So now the region which is greater than, which is less than 2. That means what is the region less than 2 means this is the whole region which is z is less than 2. And now already we have done in the previous lectures how to identify the area. Now already this area is what? 0.5. Correct? This whole area is 0.5. So now we are going to find out what is this area from 0 to 2, and this can be found out by the normal distribution table. What is that you have to find out? For 2, how much it is? Let us see. For 2 it is, let us say 2 at 0, 0.4772. 0.4772. So this is what the value. Therefore, this area is given by 0.4772. This is what the area. So what you can say now? Probability of z less than 2 is 0.5 plus probability of 0 less than z less than 2, and that is given by 0.5 plus 0.4772, and that value is 0.9772. So this is what the area occupied for x less than 11, same as probability of z less than 2. I hope you could understand this. So now I'm going to do the next problem. Probability of x greater than minus 1. Let us now take that problem. Probability of x greater than minus 1. Again, mean and variance are the same. So what is mu? Mu is equal to 3 and standard deviation is equal to 4 and x is equal to now minus 1. So what is the standard normal variate? Z is x minus mu over sigma, that is minus 1 minus 3 by 4, and the value is minus 4 by 4 which is minus 1. So what it implies? Probability of x greater than minus 1 is same as probability of z greater than minus 1. So what is the area now? Let us now find out that area. Now let us now find out that area. Let us draw the mean first of all. The mean is given by this one, and now you are going to draw the x-axis, and we need the value of z is 0 is here, z is minus 1 is somewhere here. So now we are going to find out for z greater than minus 1. So what is that area? For z greater than minus 1 is this area, correct? So we are now going to find out for z greater than minus 1, what is the area means. We already know that right hand side of 0 is 0.5. So we need to find out what is the area covered between minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 is same as 0 to 1 because the function is, the normal distribution is always symmetric. So therefore what you can say this is given by probability of minus 1 less than z less than 0 plus 0.5, correct? Now this is same as the probability of 0 less than z less than 1 because of the symmetry, correct? How much is from 0 to left is same as the from 0 to right, that is 1. So what we have to see in the z distribution table now, b of z equal to 1 we have to say, right? At z equal to 1 now, the value is 0.3413. So let us now take that 0.3413 is the value. Let us now write down that 0.3413 plus 0.5 and the value is 0.8413. This is what the area occupied. Understood? This is 0.3413. Understood? So this is what the way to find out the area using the z table according to the standard normal variate and by using the mean and variance. Okay, mean and standard deviation you can say. Now let us do the third problem. Probability of x lies between 2 and 7.